Welcome all to the training manual of Invoice to Pay automation process. This is a part of All India initiative towards digitalization of various processes. The objective of this project is to bring an automation to have better visibility and tracking of your invoices against the order. We have developed a portal for the vendors to upload the invoices with digital signature. Vendors will be able to track their invoices through the portal and get a better visibility. They will also have an option of submitting the invoice to the POC directly. In addition to this, we have implemented the Vim solution to your existing SAP system to further enhance the process. Vim has the OCR, optical character recognition technology inbuilt that will capture the characters from the invoice image. The captured fields are passed to the Vim document that can be routed within teams and departments for further processing. This intends to reduce a lot of manual activity with easy access to digitized invoice. This video is related to the special SES cases where the SES is created before invoice submission. In this case, the vendor will come and submit the bill. The concerned POC will create the SES without any BTS number. You can leave the BTS number or the external number field blank and create the SES. The vendor will then go on and submit the invoice in the portal with your name as the POC ID. You will receive the invoice in your Vim workplace or inbox. Now we will walk you through the steps in the SAP system. You will log into the system and go to the transaction /n/opt/vim_wp. This is Vim Workplace where all the open items are available. This is the DP document ID that now you can execute. This is Vim indexing screen where the invoice image is displayed on your right. You have the option of checking the history and comments along with the image. As an indexer, you will have to verify the following fields against the invoice image on your right. Vendor number, company code, reference number, document date, gross amount, PO number. When the vendor uploads the invoice through the portal, they will be using the contract number to upload the invoice. So there could be a situation where the contract number is updated in this PO number field. You'll have to remove the contract number and add the correct work order number against it. Once the basic data fields have been verified, you will go to the accounting tab. You will verify the payment terms which is fetched from the work order. Then you will go to other data. In the other data tab, you will select the correct nature of bill. Based on the nature of bill that you have selected, it will be routed to the finance team accordingly. You will check the HSN code against the invoice image. If LD is applicable, you will select yes and update the following fields. If other deduction is applicable, you will select yes and update the following fields. Another important field for you is documents check. This is a declaration that you have verified all the documents pertaining to this DP document. So once this is verified, you will click on this checkbox. After verifying all the fields, you will click on Simulate Rules. This will open up a menu with some of the system validation to ensure that we are entering the correct data in the document. As an indexer, you have to verify that all the statuses are green till documents check. If there is any discrepancy, the exception will be red. Right now, as the SES is not released, the exception is red. To release the SES, you will click on the option Enter Service Entry. If the Enter Service Entry option is not available, you will click on Apply Rules first, refresh your Vim workplace and execute the DP document again. The process option will be available to you. Click on Enter Service Entry, click on Yes. You will be redirected to ML81N screen. In this transaction, you will click on Other Purchase Order. The work order number will be auto-populated. You will enter the entry sheet that you want to release. Click on Continue. While releasing the SES, you have to ensure that you select the correct DP document in the external number. For subsequent release by your superiors, you may inform them to release outside of Vim using the transaction ML81N. Now you can save the entry sheet. You will be redirected to the DP document with the information message, entry sheet so and so is saved. You can click on Continue. Now you can click on Apply Rules. Once the SES is released by your superiors, the invoice will be automatically routed to the finance team. Your part as an SES creator ends here. Thank you.